Hello, today we are going to talk about no poverty. In the world, there is a big amount of people who are in the status of poverty. For this reason, the United Nations included poverty as a sustainable development goal. This goal consists in eradicating poverty because there are some people who live with almost $2 per day. One of the causes of the poverty is the situation of little countries, because if they are in war, political issues, and others, they are exposed to poverty. Also, these problems generate that the other country doesn't want to invest in the country that has a conflict. The unstable political situation generates a lot of economic problems, consequently, poverty. The targets selected in the number 1.5, which consists in building the resilience of the poor and those in vulnerable situations and reducing their exposure and vulnerability to climate-related extreme events and other economic, social, and environmental shock and disasters. So it's important to mention that we must help people in poverty to look for some solution to go ahead, because they have different abilities that they can take advantage of, give a better life to their family. Also, this kind of community must raise their children with the ideology of studying to become a good professional, because their children might change their future. In Peru, the rate of monetary poverty is 25.9%, because these people live with $2,000 per month. Also, around 38.8% of children from 6 to 35 months have anemia, and 28.1% of poor people don't have a drain, and 10.7% don't have water, neither provided by the government nor tanked both by the community. Moreover, around 16.1% of poor people have their unmet basic needs, and in the case of education, 16.5% of children can attend their classes. So this statistics shows the poverty affects people in different aspects.
Hi, the situation in Taiwan is quite complicated. In recent years, the poverty rate is ranged from 1.3% to 2.6%, which seems to be low. However, the real situation in Taiwan is not that bright. According to some internet sources and professors, the poverty population in Taiwan should at least multiply 10 times, which means the population is more than 3.2 million. The number is counted by a restrictive policy, which excludes physically challenged people or one-parent family. Besides, the government won't consider debts or divorce into real situation when counting who is the part of poverty population. Under such condition, it still needs some time for Taiwan to catch the real situation of poverty and then make some solutions.
And this is the comparison and contrast part of Taiwan and Peru. Whether in Taiwan or in Peru, there are still partial citizens who are suffering from poverty, and their quality of life have been lowered tremendously due to it. In comparison with Peru, Taiwan now is facing serious crisis called aging society. The elderly has accounted for a large percentage of poverty problem in Taiwan. On the other hand, Peru seems not to have this kind of worry now. However, I believe both countries have been working hard to improve current situation and looking forward to building a better living environment for every citizen.